What's up, YouTube? It is me, your host, the Internet Income Ninja, back with another money making video online. Guys, thanks so much for stopping by, and I really appreciate your viewership. And I encourage you guys to stay safe and to make sure that your family is good and that you're doing all you can to make sure that you're earning money online. Alright, so at this point in time, I invite you to hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share, and this allows you to be first in line whenever any information on making money online drops on this channel. Why that's important? That's because it's a very competitive world out there, and even though here on the Internet Income Ninja we believe in thinking abundantly, and if one opportunity door closes, another one opens. True. However, if we can actually make a decision, let's say a door closes, let it be that we applied and we decided that we didn't want it, as opposed to we could have gotten the job, or we could have been first in line for this tactic before it got flooded, and we tried it and we decided we didn't want it, as opposed to we tried it but it was so saturated that it didn't make sense, or we didn't apply quickly enough and the job is now gone. Let's be the ones to make the first move and then decide that we don't want it, as opposed to making the millionth move because a million people already tried and the opportunity is no longer there. Okay, so that's how we think on this channel. That's how I want you, my ninjas, to think. So doing these things, subscribing, sharing, commenting, gets the algorithm to promote these videos so people can be in the know as soon as possible, so that you can take action and get the advantage over everybody else. Alright, so at this point in time, I encourage you to check the links in the description below, because these links help you learn how to start your own online business or businesses from the comfort of home, so successfully that you can actually earn $1,000 or more per day. Alright guys, I'm serious. It's not a scam, it's nothing like that. It is straight up fact. These systems work. Okay, so while you're checking those out, I'm just going to introduce another money making method to you, and this is with an app called NCP Mobile. You can earn gift cards when you snap pictures of the barcodes of the products you buy. Okay, this is a great one to stack with Fetch and Ibotta, and we've actually spoken about Ibotta in a previous video. But let's just look at what this site looks like. Okay, so the NCP is actually the National Consumer Panel, which is a joint venture between Nielsen IQ and IRI. Okay, now it's easy to sign up. You enter your email address, and if you've already signed up, you can enter your member ID. You enter a password, or if you're just signing up, you create a password. You click I'm not a robot, and then hit submit. Okay, now you can learn about them on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. They are available on Apple and Android. Alright, and we're just going to click this real quick and a window will pop up, and it gives us a bit about them. It says the National Consumer Panel, the NCP, is a joint venture between Nielsen IQ and IRI, the two leading consumer insight providers in the United States. Okay, so when any major company wants information, then they go to these guys. Okay, so when businesses want to know what's happening, they go to these guys. Now, we are a market research panel that focuses on measuring consumer attitudes and behavior. Since 1987 as Nielsen HomeScan, then in 2010 as National Consumer Panel, we have been gathering panel members' opinions and shopping data to help manufacturers and retailers make informed decisions on what products to develop, improve, or sell in the market. Our panel is made up of people just like you, a diverse cross-section of consumers from all over the country. Okay, Now that lets us know that they are predominantly based in the United States. Alright? Now, you want to see the actual app, you click this if you are an Android user, or this if you are an iOS user. So let's just click one of them, and what will happen is the page for the app will pop up, rated E for everyone. There have been 27,523 reviews so far, and essentially how this app works is you snap a picture of the barcode of the product you purchased, and as you do so, you are actually racking up points that you can use to claim gift cards. It's that simple. So before you throw your stuff away, or as soon as you get home and you're unpacking, while you're putting stuff away, the easiest thing to do is to snap pictures of the codes with the app of the products that you've purchased. Okay, so a bit more about the app. NCP Mobile is the exclusive grocery shopping app of National Consumer Panel that lets you earn gift cards and other shopping rewards for telling us about the items you purchase. As our newest panel member, you'll scan the UPC barcodes of the items you buy, or tell us a little bit about non-barcoded items, and in turn you'll earn reward points to redeem for gift cards and other rewards. You can also take surveys, play games, and more, all while telling us about what you buy and earning rewards directly through our grocery shopping app. But don't limit yourself to groceries. Tell us about all your purchases, from gas to prescriptions, and earn your shopping rewards. What are you waiting for? Download NCP Mobile, tell us a little about you and your household, and start earning your rewards today. So, especially if you have a larger family, whoever does the shopping can remember to snap or scan the barcode or give your opinion on whatever product you purchased. So this will be particularly helpful for people who do large scale shopping. So you have a family of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, what have you. This will be a great way because you're pretty much buying a lot of groceries. Okay, so it has 27,523 total reviews, as I've said before, with a 4.3 out of 5 rating. Majority of people have rated this app 5-star. And let's hear what some people say. Tracy, who left a 3-star review, says you do not scan the receipt, but each item which takes time. You can enter multiples of each item, which is good. So if you bought 3 breads, you could enter 1 and then times 3. Okay. Or rather, what she's saying is, if you bought 3 items, you can actually enter the item 3 times, which increases the number of points you get, as opposed to it's not 1 entry per product, but it's 1 entry per item. So if you bought 10 things and 5 of the things is 1 item and the other 5 is another item, then you can enter 10 items. It doesn't have to be you're entering 2 items, you're entering 10. Okay, so I find it frustrating that reduced item barcodes are not recognized, so you have to choose no barcode. Some items like chapstick aren't a choice on the list, so I don't know how to enter that. Some stores autofill the prices of each item, but some don't. It's time consuming, and if some things were streamlined, it might be easier. So what she's saying is, if it was a case where you scanned the item and all the information pops up and all you had to do was submit the entry, then it would be a lot easier. However, she's saying there are some items where if you scan the code, you still have to enter the cost. You still have to enter some information. Alright? As opposed to you just scan, all the info pops up, you just submit. So she's saying if that were the case, then it would be much easier to do it. However, she has had success, and I guess what she's asking for is for more streamlining of products. Alright? K Rhodes left a 5-star review. I have been with NPC for a long time. I have gone through using 2 different scanners, transmitting over a hard line. This app is so much easier. They have really good gifts for points you earn by scanning your shopping trips. They also have drawings for prizes. I haven't ever won any of these, but I am sure with a large number of participants it is hard to win. And when you go through, you could actually just read through more reviews if you wanted to. All right, and that's it. So if you are a shopper and you like shopping, then don't be shopping just to get the product, but you can now get something back after you shop. So guys, if you are in the United States, or if you are in any of the US regions, like say, okay, Hawaii, right, or Puerto Rico, then you should be on this. You need to be on this. You are throwing away money every time you shop and you're not using this app. Don't do that. Click install this thing on your phone and get to earning money. I mean, gift cards could be considered money, right? That means a gift card has a value of X dollars. So yeah, get on the app, start getting money back. It is easy. In some cases, as the first review said, it could be more streamlined and could actually be easier, but it is simple to do. And if you are on your hustle and on your grind and you can save and earn money by doing this, by all means, do it. Do it. Okay? So even my dog says they're supposed to do it. If you hear them barking, they say do it. So guys, that's it for this one. This is a winner app. I strongly suggest you jump on this, just as I strongly suggest that you check the links in the description below. And the dog is saying you need to check the links in the description below as well. What was that? She says that there are some free courses that you can take. Oh, yeah, and she ran off because she's going to take the course. So she's saying that there's some free courses that will teach you how to find leads, whether for your business, or if you already have a business, you can find more leads, or if you want to write your own book, you can find leads so you can promote your book to specific people. Every venture needs customers, and leads are customers or potential customers. And there's a free training in there of how to get leads. Whether you're a big business or a budding writer, or you want to open a Shopify store or what have you, you need leads. So check out that free training. Get on that ASAP. Check the links in the description below. And lastly, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share. This is your host, the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your support and your likes and your comments. Feel free to ask questions. Don't be shy. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy internet earning, guys. And stay safe. We're still in a pandemic. Stay safe. See you guys in the next video. Peace.